were founded in 2005, and we have grown ever since then. We started with just Chardonnay and Pinot Noirs, and now our vineyard has some Chenin Blanc, Dornfelder. We just planted some Syrah as well, grafted different wine grape varietals so we can kind of expand our own vineyard. All of our tasting rooms, the idea is to bring the Central Coast experience into everybody's neighborhood. And so I feel like having a winery here in Anaheim is very unique. There are wine bars other places, but I feel like we have a uniqueness where it's all of our own wine. And so our staff is really educated on talking about the wines, talking about the different grape varietals, things that are happening at our vineyard, other vineyards that we may be outsourcing from. And so I feel like that's what gives us a nice uniqueness here. Our Dornfelder is a unique grape. A lot of people are kind of new to the grape varietal. It's a German grape varietal. We were able to start growing it on our vineyard. It has like a big, rich, deep, inky color to it, but you drink it and it's not very big and bold. It still has that nice lightness to it. I think our PCH Rosé is the best one. I think it's a great introductory wine. PCH is a rosé of Pinot Noir, so you get a little bit of something chilled while also getting that Pinot Noir aspect, which is kind of our bread and butter with everything that we have at Pali.